fuck nigga for the free. 100 motherfuckers in the guns for the mean. Masadi, Islamic, and homie, my niggas, they grind me, push listen your chicks. Any motherfucker that'll claim that he bang, couldn't be about it, so I hang him by his chain. Brought it to a fuck nigga brain on, you silver bullet, boy, I let this shit bang. Prophecy told that niggas would go get back for that while there's no niggas with souls. Blade to your neck, the dick in your throat. You rock for your niggas is joke. Fuck.
Man, drugs in this bitch, I can slide with the foe and the plug on the bitch. I'm popping out the cut 3D with the shit. If you're laying in the with your bitch, what?
Bitch! What's wrong with these niggas, man? Oh, no, yes! Shit, rare shit. Oh, no, yes! Fuck all that shit. Oh, no, yes! Dirty.
Well, it looks like he's a little disoriented or something. It's always possible Guy could be on something.